Welcome to CK Steel Furniture. Now I am showing you how to install a bunk bed in a very simple method. First of all, we want to check. First of all, we want to check whether we want to put a steps. This is a hole for steps, and this is a hole where we put a supports. This hole should be a below side, downward side. This small holes. First, then you simply put this nut and bolt to holes. Stop कर. Stop. After doing the both nut and bolt, we want to switch to the next. Similarly, we want to do for this only also. Now, as we done that also, we want to do this also. We want to put both the nut bolt here also. We just don't want to tight too much first of all, and the second. Now we want to put nut bolt here also. Make sure we don't want to tight too much. Just want to put that only, and after applying ply and all setup, after steps, we want to do full tightness. Just we want to put in holes properly nut bolts. If suppose one of the nut bolt is not applicable, then one is sufficient to hold strength of 350 kg. Now, after that we want to apply for the upward direction, which is for steps. This is for steps. Okay. Then we want to apply for the second one, that is another. After that we want to apply the second portion of this. This is second railing. Our bunk bed will look like this. Then completely look like this. Now we are going to install a step. Here we completed our installation of steps, and now we will install supports. Stop. चलिए. This is a support, and we are installing this like this. Just put this and screw. We don't want to tight too much because we want to apply here. Stop कर. After applying support to the bottom one, we want to just do the similar pattern to up. We want to put a support to up one also. Now our bunk bed is looking like this. You can check. And now simply we want to put our ply. Simply put ply on above that. मेरे को दिखा सकते हो? चलो.
हो गई चालू.
Now similarly apply the second ply to the bottom one. Now our bunk bed is completely ready. Just we want to fit or tight all the nut bolts. Just tight all the nut bolts as much as you can do. Don't tight too much. If it is not necessary, don't tight too much because it will insert it inside. Just tight little bit. Installation process completed. Now we can use our bunk bed. Look, easily you can use the bunk bed. You can put mattresses or any gadi. You can use your bunk bed, and similarly you can open it. Thank you for choosing CK Steel Furniture.